You'd be having a big man while it's still attached to your bloody neck. Bloody bogan!
This is the closest thing to crazy I'll ever be. This is the closest thing to crazy I'll